the ultimate guide to the slow-carb diet. Transform your health and wellness. What is the slow-carb diet? The slow-carb diet is a nutritional plan designed to help individuals achieve significant weight loss and improve overall health by focusing on low glycemic index foods. Created by Tim Ferriss, this diet emphasizes consuming unprocessed foods that are digested slowly, thereby preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This approach promotes sustained energy levels and reduces cravings, making maintaining a healthy eating pattern easier. The core principles of the slow-carb diet. Focus on 5 main food groups. The slow-carb diet is built around 5 primary food groups. Proteins: lean meats, fish, and eggs. Legumes: beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Vegetables: non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale. Fats: healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Spices and condiments, to add flavor without adding unnecessary calories. Avoid white carbohydrates. The diet eliminates all white carbohydrates to ensure low blood sugar levels. This includes bread, rice, potatoes, pasta, cereal. Consume the same meals repeatedly. By simplifying your meal choices and sticking to a few repeatable meals, you can reduce decision fatigue and increase adherence to the diet. The key is to mix and match foods from the 5 main groups. Avoid caloric beverages. Sugary drinks and fruit juices are to be avoided. Instead, focus on drinking water, unsweetened tea, and coffee. Alcohol, especially beer and sugary cocktails, should also be minimized. Take 1 day off per week. Known as cheat day, this day allows you to eat whatever you want. This strategy helps reset your metabolism and provides a psychological break from the strict regimen. Benefits of the slow-carb diet. Sustainable weight loss. The primary benefit of the slow-carb diet is sustainable weight loss. By focusing on low glycemic foods, this diet helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing hunger and cravings. Many adherents report steady, consistent weight loss without calorie counting or portion control. Improved blood sugar control. The slow-carb diet can significantly improve blood sugar control for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. The focus on unprocessed, low glycemic foods helps avoid the blood sugar spikes and crashes that are common with high carbohydrate diets. Enhanced energy levels. By avoiding rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, the slow-carb diet promotes sustained energy levels throughout the day. This can lead to improved productivity, better workouts, and an overall enhanced sense of well-being. Simplified meal planning. The repetitive nature of the slow-carb diet simplifies meal planning and preparation. With a limited set of foods, grocery shopping becomes more accessible, and cooking becomes more straightforward. Reduced inflammation. The emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods can lead to a reduction in chronic inflammation. Many followers of the slow-carb diet report improvements in conditions such as arthritis, skin disorders, and other inflammatory diseases. Sample slow-carb diet meal plan. Breakfast: protein and vegetables. Scrambled eggs with spinach and black beans. A hearty, protein-rich breakfast to start your day right. Lunch: lean protein and legumes. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and lentils. A balanced meal that combines lean protein, fiber-rich legumes, and nutrient-dense vegetables. Dinner: balanced and filling. Baked salmon with broccoli and chickpeas. A delicious and satisfying dinner option that provides healthy fats, proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Snacks: healthy and satisfying. Almonds and cherry tomatoes. A perfect snack to keep your energy levels up between meals. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Not eating enough. One common mistake is to eat more, especially of the right foods. Ensure you consume sufficient proteins, legumes, and vegetables to stay full and energized. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day. Stick to regular meals and include snacks if necessary to avoid hunger. Consuming hidden sugars. Be vigilant about hidden sugars in condiments and sauces. Always check labels and choose natural spices and herbs to flavor your meals. Inadequate hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and avoid sugary drinks that can derail your progress. The slow-carb diet is a practical and sustainable approach to weight loss and improved health. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that are digested slowly, this diet helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and promote long-term adherence. Whether you want to lose weight, manage a health condition, or improve your overall well-being, the slow-carb diet offers a flexible and effective solution.